That's that number one. All good, Gus?
All good, bro.
All good, man.
Be nice, beautiful.
Yeah. Careful with the palusami, you might trigger some gout or something.
Whakalofa atu makau. E aho nei, o mai a mautolu ke Whilewhea mo mga whaua. O mai niue, Lea Lofi mo Auntie Poa. What's up, fam? We're just in GI Church, got Liam. Here today to catch up with Auntie Lea Lofi and Auntie Poa. They're from, oh, here's the shop breaker, shop breaker, AJ. What's up, fam? What's up, Gus? Yeah, so everyone's just arriving, told to bring a plate, so can't wait to eat. Looking forward to our trip in Niue in April. Yeah, it's awesome. Let's go on.
We had chili cheese. That was here. You know, coming to the family and so safe.
Whakaoi Dave, whakaoi. Whakaoi Dave. Got all the family here. Hey Jake.
Hi, these are my best shoes I have right now.
Okay, fellow here too. Thank you guys for the opportunity. Thank you for organising this special evening to get together as a family and also spend some quality time with our auntie Lofi from Niue, including my mum. Yeah, it's good to see everyone again. Yeah, hope everybody has a lovely evening. That's all, thank you.
Yeah, whakaoi. There's family from Niue.
We have this beautiful valley and we'd like to thank Dan and Stephanie and Faith, Elijah and all the other brothers and sisters for inviting us here to your church and for giving up your time as well to prepare this for us. Thank you very much. Thank you also to all the people that have come from near and afar. They're looking for Sina and everyone else who's traveled from overseas to be here today so that we can celebrate as a family, celebrate together as one, and be together here in this church. And
James, again, because you deal to focus very, very tung from a hard guy. Wherever they ay, pafarantah to get to start with a kitchen to Manot, with a way to Mamas Muscare, but you know I had to start a room or a material.
Obviously my name is Christian, you've seen me many times. I'm now on this video to say welcome to the Laumua family dinner tonight to celebrate their Lofi, but also Auntie Poa who have gathered today to, gathered today to, with the rest of the family to have some dinner, introduce each other to, introduce ourselves to them and, you know, them to us and, you know, just get to know who the family are, which is fantastic. I think what's really nice is that a lot of people have brought all the dishes that, you know, have all the essential vitamins and minerals, and like this particular one here, I'm not sure what this is, but I'm told that it's very nutritious. But also if you get a chance, if you get a chance to go around, some of the dishes are made by the hands of the people that are here, that are within the family that are here today. So I have made 3 corned beef palusamis with real taro, real coconut cream that I scraped myself. I was up earlier this morning, I was scraping coconuts and doing all of that with the, you know, the coconuts flew all the way in from Kara. So that was really nice, didn't have to do much, but at least it's here. It's looking really good. If I can quickly just grab the camera, I'll just take you for a little walk. If I can show you guys sort of what it looks like. So that's the number one. All good, Gus?
All good, bro.
Good, man.
Be nice, beautiful.
Yeah. Careful with the palusam, you might trigger some gout or something. And there you go. There's a lot of food here tonight. Just want to give you a little taste, a little sample. But yeah, hopefully everyone who's watching this video joins us in Niue, or gets an opportunity to go to Niue as well, but also gets an opportunity to meet all of us as well. With that being said, my name is Christian. Good to see you all.
How you been, cuz? Welcome back. Your trip looked awesome.